Quite the winter wonderland there. Those lions, tigers, and bears in for quite a wintry surprise. Something they're not used to there, Netta.
Yeah.
That was nice to see all of the blanket of snow that they got there.
Amazing.
And even in our lower elevations, around 2,000, 2,500 feet, we saw plenty of snow for the kids and families to kind of enjoy out there.
Yeah, I was going to say Alpine sits at about 2,000 feet. So right where lions and tigers and bears is, that sanctuary, they're not used to that kind of snow. That was a low snow event. We saw a lot more inches. So further up you go, Pine Valley got dumped on. We'll show you those totals in a moment. Right now you're noticing a few areas getting that rain. It's starting to pick up right along in Del Mar area, further inland, Carmel Valley towards Ramona even. You might start to notice a few drops, but the bulk of the activity not too far from us. Look at that. In Long Beach, there's a line of heavy rain coming through, and most of this is going to be pushing on south. So you'll see the bulk of the moisture right here, way further up north, in northern central California. And yeah, most of that is headed right on into San Diego. So let's talk about the snow report first. This would be our local snow report from Mount Laguna, which sits at 6,000 feet. You're the winner there. 22 inches of snow. Palomar got 12. Julian, 10 inches. Pine Valley at about 4,000 feet, seeing 3 inches there. There will be more to come. This next round, it's not as cold of a system, but still 4,000 feet and up, we are expecting to see several more inches of snow. Big Bear, look at that, 37 up at Bear Mountain. Big Bear Lake got 12 to 18 inches. Wrightwood, 3 to 6. Idlewild got 5 inches. It's going to look beautiful. Once the storms pass, you'll still see them because obviously that's a decent amount of snow that's settling in. Looking at our rain totals, Valley Center, 1 3/10 or so. Escondido, about 8/10. La Mesa, 6/10 of an inch. A lot less for places like downtown San Diego. So just you wait. In round 2, this next system, it's a lot stronger because it also has a weak atmospheric river associated with it, and that's why we have this flood watch issued from 4 p.m. tonight all the way through early Sunday morning. Then we have a winter storm warning because of the higher snow levels. Wind advisory as well. The wind will pick up early this morning. Then the rain will come through. So I want to time things out so you can plan your day. As you notice, most of the day will be fairly light. Scattered lighter showers. And then you'll notice around 4 p.m. or so, it's going to pick up. 4 p.m., 5 p.m., that afternoon commute on a Friday will be pretty messy in the North County. Early Saturday morning, yeah, I would say try to stay inside if you can. That is a dumping that we're all going to see around 5, 6 a.m. Look at all that snow picking up through about noon Saturday, and it's all going to hang on well into Sunday morning. But the bulk of the moisture late tonight to early Saturday morning, that's when you'll notice the really heavy stuff. And then as far as the amount that we can see, I mean, we're talking inches of rain that's still coming out of this next system. 2 to possibly 3 inches expected, especially in the North County, but even down to Chula Vista. The snow levels, we could see again, as I mentioned, up to 4,000 feet, I should say, but we could get about 10 inches of snow from this. As you'll notice, there's a little break on Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, another round. And Eric, I'll send it back to you.